The markets have recently fallen heavily after the liquidation and sale of assets worth billions of dollars. However, what does the future hold for the markets generally and Shiba Inu in particular? You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own Shib tokens. What then has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? Today I'll be answering all of these questions and more in my video, which will also contain all of the recent information that has boosted the price of Shiba Inu. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. We will also be adding a second channel for the Shib news shortly. Watch the video that was linked in the comment and description and make sure to subscribe to that channel so you can get notifications when new videos are uploaded. Before we get into the meat of the matter though, how about we check at the Shiba Inu price chart for April 13th. Approximately 2,460 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. With a $1.3 billion in trading volume, the price of Shib has fallen 8.4% in the past 24 hours. With a market cap of more than $14.5 billion, the token is now the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. It is possible that these prices will have changed by the time you view this video. This is not a recommendation for your financial situation. Plus, if you're on Twitter, you should follow us because we're planning to have some major prizes shortly. All you have to do to enter to win thousands of dollars is follow me right now. Okay then, let's jump into the video for today. Alright, let's start with the big picture of the cryptocurrency market and talk about the current glut. Let me tell you why the market, along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shib, took a nosedive. There was a severe downturn in the cryptocurrency market, sending the total value of all cryptocurrencies into a nosedive of almost 8% to $2.38 trillion. The current sell-off in the cryptocurrency market caused a total loss of almost $250 billion. Options expiration, Bitcoin's historical patterns, macroeconomic issues, and technical chart weakness all contributed to a precipitous decline in Bitcoin price, which dropped from $70,978 to $65,254. The price of Ethereum dropped by 12% after Bitcoin caused a sell-off in the cryptocurrency market. All coins had a 15% to 30% decline as a result of this. In the past day, meme coins have been sold at a higher rate than most cryptocurrencies. A number of reasons, including options expiration, have contributed to the ongoing crypto market sell-off. Prior to earlier this week's US CPI statistics, the cryptocurrency market began to exhibit indications of weakening. An increase in Bitcoin ETF inflow and the desire for long positions caused by fear of missing out FOMO contributed to the price of Bitcoin climbing to $72,000, which was a range-bound movement. CoinCape reported this. Benjamin Cowan, Peter Brandt, and Arthur Hayes are among the experts who have warned of a potential market crash in the event that Bitcoin's price follows a pattern similar to those witnessed during past Bitcoin events and the spot Bitcoin ETF listing. After the halving, Bitcoin's price, according to Cowan, might go below $60,000. After option expiration, CoinGate also expected Bitcoin and Ethereum values to fall. As can be seen from the chart above, the crypto market sell-off began with options expiration at NUMUTC. The reasons for this were a combination of factors, including lower max pain points compared to trading prices, low volumes and dominant sell transactions in the derivatives market, and muted sentiment following the higher CPI. As a result of bad mood after major banks and geopolitical concerns in the Middle East, the price of Bitcoin continued to fall and broke through critical support levels at $70,468,200. On Friday, JP Morgan Chase stock dropped 6.47%. As a result of developments in global macroeconomics, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield surged to 4.585%, a level not seen since early November, and the U.S. dollar index soared beyond 106. Since Bitcoin's price falls in opposition to DXY's rise, which has brought about a decline in both, the price of Bitcoin has fallen to $1.65 thousand. Bringing down the cryptocurrency market, incredible 570% increase in Shiba Inu adoptions as whales make a triumphant return. Large holder inflows, which monitor the money moving into whale addresses, have increased by 570% in the dog-themed cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. Into the Block data shows that on April 12th, large holder inflows of Shiba Inu surged from 404.81 billion Shib to 2.66 trillion Shib. There has been a dramatic increase in a critical indicator of whale activity coinciding with the influx of large holders. The amount of 8.63 trillion Shib transacted in significant transactions involving Shiba Inu increased 276% in the past 24 hours. In monetary terms, this was equivalent to $212.56 million. Increases in the number of big transactions indicate that institutional investors, sometimes known as whales, are very active. There are a few possible explanations for the sudden influx of large holders. Large holders, often known as whales, may be increasing their purchasing activities and putting SHIB tokens into cold storage after buying them on exchanges. Whales may be buying SHIB at a bargain during the current market slump. Since such spikes in inflow typically occur before price bottoms, this can be a sign that they are preparing for future gains and are anticipating a price bounce. At a time when the market is seeing crypto devastation with huge losses everywhere, the spike in important whale indicators is happening at a very relevant time. With risk aversion moving from more conventional markets to digital assets, the value of cryptocurrencies like SHIB plummeted 12% in the days leading up to the weekend. Unpredictably high consumer price index readings dashed expectations of rate reduction this year and prompted worries that the Federal Reserve may be losing steam in its efforts to rein in price increases. As market volatility has returned to the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin and the majority of cryptocurrencies are presently trading at a loss. It would mean the world to me if you could just go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. You can support the channel without spending a dime. Watch this space, though, for news on Shiba Inu's current status and potential future developments on the Shiba Inu coin. Expert in the market sees reasons to buy SHIB at 3,100 units despite recent decline. Yesterday was one of the worst days for the cryptocurrency market as a whole, with major cryptocurrencies losing double digits in a single day. The Shiba Inu price has fallen dramatically, falling 11.6% in the past 24 hours, which is part of the downtrend. However, there are other variables that could cause the price to rise again. Nevertheless, experts in the market believe that this decline is just a retest of Shiba Inu's lows and that a significant price surge may be on the horizon. Maximilian disclosed in his most recent TradingView study that SHIB bulls had persisted in holding onto tokens despite the ongoing decline. There is evidence of an impending recovery due to this aspect. Most Shiba Inu shark and whale addresses have kept their holdings, as highlighted in a previous article by Crypto Basic. According to Maximilian, who cited data from an accompanying chart, SHIB had remained stable within an upward channel on the 4-hour chart. The volume of Shiba Inus has grown. The continuous interest in Shiba Inu from market participants, as shown by the sustained increase in volume, is another reason Maximilian is optimistic. Surprisingly, SHIB's trading volume has increased by 164% in the past 24 hours, reaching $1.2 billion, which accounts for 8.41% of its market cap. Moreover, according to Cohen Glass statistics, the amount of Shiba Inu derivatives has increased by an astounding 201% to $369.97 million in just one day. Even while open interest fell 21.79% to $66 million due to traders selling their positions in the wake of the market meltdown and the subsequent surge in liquidations, volume grew nonetheless. Along with the increase in volume, Maximilian also verified that Shiba Inu's overall upward trend in terms of market adjustment has persisted. He emphasized the need of SHIB protecting the 2,700 unit channel support that was recently violated. The subject of today's video, the Shiba Inu token burning rate, is about to begin. Significant changes have been occurring in the value of Shiba Inu tokens in recent days. In keeping with market swings, the volume of tokens delivered for burning has increased significantly according to data given by Shibburn. The fact that this growth is occurring in tandem with a decrease in price adds an extra layer of intrigue. Significant acceleration in the depletion of SHIB tokens, there was a fall in the market price of the coin and a discernible pause in the rate of token burning throughout the past week. The total burning rate was reduced as a result of a substantial drop in the quantity of cryptocurrency SHIB tokens reserved for destruction. But by the end of the week, things had shifted considerably. Leading developer Shiba Inu's actions caused a dramatic spike in the burning rate of Shiba Inu coins,